thought they were opening this up.
Yeah, they're gonna open this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because you're going to need...
This is existing.
An opening all the way.
All right. Well, you're also going to need header room to get all the way across there, too.
Yeah.
What's this measure? 22 feet?
Yeah.
Somebody was talking about shortening there, so is that still in the plan?
Yeah, the only way to shorten it is by putting some load bearing
Yeah, okay.
posts.
You could put it, yeah. I mean, is the whole wall coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would definitely put a minimum of one post. That way, you're not trying to span 22 feet. I mean, you're looking at probably 16 to 22 inch LVL.
If you do one post, you can do a 9 1/4.
Right,
LVL, can't you?
with one post, but without a post, that's 16, at least 16 inch LVL.
This is road bearing, but not, they don't need to leave it this low, they can take it up, what,
Well,
4 inches?
Well, we have to, the span that we go is going to tell us how deep that beam has to be. We don't want to put an undersized beam in it, because we also have to consider not just the load of this roof, but the load we're adding with our room as well. So you're not just carrying that load, you're going to carry the additional load of our structure.
You might need 2 posts.
Right. What do you got here? 20-pound roof load in Atlanta? What?
Not sure. I know.
I think it's 20.
I think it's 22. It's been a while.
Savannah, I know is 20, so I'd assume Atlanta. If not, Atlanta may even be heavier than Savannah.
Well,
I think you're 20. I'm pretty sure you're 20.
When the engineering team came out here, this is what they suggested. That we would have one post right there. That's where the opening is. It's roughly right where the break is between the 2 windows. And because they're actually doing an interior wall inside here to kind of separate part of this 22 span, about 4 feet of it will be used for a utility space. So there's gonna be
So it's going to be shorter than the 22-foot free span opening.
Opening wise. Yeah.
So he's looking at
So the
4 foot. He's talking about there.
It would be like 18.
18 feet. Just hold me around about guessing 4 foot. If you put a post here, you're looking at like 15-foot span, which that ain't going to be horrible. 15 foot, you do that with 2 by 12.
I was going to say 2 by 10, but you got the help.
I mean, look at it this way. Your average 2-car garage opening is 16 feet. There's two 2 by 12s as a header there.
Okay.
So 2 by 12s will span 16 feet.
Okay.
You would just need one post?
In taking into account, there's going to be a wall there for that 4-foot pantry. I'm not, an engineer, but I'm just going off of, what I, remember of the span chart. And you can download a span chart.
Okay. Okay.
pretty much.
I mean, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.